Hey there guys, welcome to my YouTube channel The Indian Jugars, and today I will be making a studio grade small handy LED light, which is of course in a budget. So for this you need a circuit board or LED circuit board like this, which you can find easily at very low prices in your local market. It costs around 40 bucks. Now the next thing you need is a DC barrel jack for connection from the power supply, and it's around 10 bucks or so. Now I have took a piece of mount board and cut down a narrow strip from the mount board and joined two of its ends. You can use anything you feel like to make this circular structure. Just make sure that your LED panel fits inside this circle. Now I have cut these two pieces from a piece of cardboard, hard cardboard. You can also use wood or plywood. And we also need a tracing paper to act as a diffuser. And finally a power source, like this DC adapter. So now let's build it. Now I am cutting a slot like thingy to place the DC barrel jack in place and glue it with the help of hot glue. So guys, let's test it, and it's glowing. Now let's complete the build.
At this point I realized tracing paper does not love hot glue, so I trusted Fevicol instead.
So guys, now let's test it. Yeah, I know guys, it looks a bit messy, and hopefully I will work on it in my future video, of which probably will be the second part of this build. And in that video I might paint it a little bit or might do some other things to improve its
aesthetics.
Trust me on this, guys, this is way brighter than you are seeing in the camera. One reason for that is it's diffused. If you have enjoyed this video, please give this video a like, share